A house of cards. Science just proved the simulation can collapse. They told us reality was stable, permanent, predictable, but now, science says otherwise. In a groundbreaking quantum experiment, researchers used a 5,564-qubit quantum machine to simulate how our entire reality could collapse. Not symbolically, not spiritually, structurally. It's called false vacuum decay, a transition from a temporarily stable reality to a more permanent one. And if it happens, everything we know, our laws of physics, particles, constants, could change in an instant. Professor Zlatko Papic put it clearly, the world as we know it would collapse like a house of cards. But this isn't just a cosmic theory, this is a mirror, because the simulation doesn't just collapse at the edge of the universe, it collapses around you, every time your energy destabilizes. In the lab, scientists saw bubbles of new reality form. They expanded, they overwrote the old field. They watched one unstable version of reality give way to a deeper, more stable one. You've seen this too, not in a lab, but in your life. When you abandon discipline, when you stop showing gratitude, when you chase pleasure over purpose, your life glitches. Things feel less real, less supported, less whole. That isn't punishment, it's feedback. It's structure. The simulation you live in doesn't reward belief, it responds to frequency. Ancient teachings always knew. Alignment keeps you protected, integrity stabilizes your field. Karma isn't myth, it's mechanism. Now modern physics says, unstable energy collapses systems. This is what happens when you ignore your inner knowing, when you forget the code. But here's the grace, just like the simulated universe reforms after collapse, your life does too. When your thoughts align, when your vibration calms, when you act in stillness and give without ego, the field begins to heal. It doesn't punish, it reflects. Every time you lie, chase what isn't yours, break your own word, you send micro ripples into your reality. The glitch follows, confusion, delay, emptiness, but alignment brings the reset. You don't need quantum theory to stabilize, you need stillness, presence, clarity. What scientists simulated in a lab is what mystics felt in silence, what monks prayed into motion, what seekers across centuries already lived. Reality is fragile, reality is responsive, reality is coded, and you are the input. When you align, the simulation doesn't just function, it flows. The next time your world begins to shake, don't panic. Ask, where did my integrity slip? Where did my discipline fade? Where did I stop living the code? Because the simulation is watching. And now, so is science. This is Transcendent Reality, live the code.